Have you ever looked up at an airplane and wondered how it navigates the vast expanse of the sky? While pilots play a crucial role, there's an invisible force at play: wind. Wind, a fundamental aspect of our atmosphere, is ever present, shaping weather patterns and influencing everything that flies. For aviation, understanding wind is not just important, it's crucial for safe and efficient travel. So, where does wind come from? Imagine the Earth as a giant engine constantly absorbing the sun's energy. This energy heats the Earth's surface unevenly, leading to differences in air pressure. Air, always seeking equilibrium, moves from areas of high pressure to areas of low pressure, and this movement of air is what we perceive as wind. High above us, at the edge of the troposphere, where most airplanes fly, flow powerful winds called jet streams. These rivers in the sky are formed due to the Earth's rotation and temperature differences between the equator and the poles. Jet streams can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour, significantly impacting flight times and fuel efficiency. Pilots and air traffic controllers work in unison to navigate the complexities of wind. Before and during flights, they meticulously analyze weather forecasts, wind speed, and direction. This data helps them chart the most efficient routes, taking advantage of tailwinds for a boost, and avoiding strong headwinds that could increase flight time and fuel consumption. In conclusion, understanding wind is paramount for safe and efficient air travel. From the gentle breeze to the mighty jet stream, wind plays a crucial role in shaping the invisible pathways of the sky. As we continue to explore the vastness of our atmosphere, one thing remains certain: when it comes to aviation, the wind is an ever-present force to be reckoned with.